Yo, what's up? My name is Jaap Bolt and today I'm going to show you how to make flaming arrows. They're very easy and cheap to make, so let's go. So this is what you need. Some flammable liquid like white spirit, you can use petrol, whatever, doesn't really matter. Some tape, some basic sparklers, a saw, this is a round saw, I don't know what it's called in English, but they're very handy, I'll explain later why. A knife, some steel wire and a cloth, piece of cloth. That's it. Right, so the first step is cutting your dowel to length. Remember to keep an extra few inches, about 6 inches at the end, where the sparklers will be later on, right? So then use your knife, get a little point on there. Doesn't have to be good, just useful. And drill a little hole in there for the steel wire and the sparklers wire that will go on there later on, right? And then cut a knock with your saw. Pretty easy to do, especially with one of these. And I actually used a nail that was heated to get a nice fitting knock on my bowstring so it won't slip off. Alright, so I wrap my cloth around the arrow shaft like that. Not going to show you guys how to do that, too easy. I got my sparklers in place like this. I wrap this around. Right, it's too easy to actually make a tutorial about, but still. Get your steel wire and wrap it around a few times just to keep the whole stuff in place. So you should have something looking like this right now. Alright. Then last step actually, if you have a decent bow with a decent draw weight, like 50 pounds or more, you might want to wrap your knock with some tape. If you don't do this, it might split, might destroy your bow even. You don't want that happening. So this is a cheap and easy option and works like a charm. Right, all done. Let's go, let's test them. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Rate, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to